Welcome to the Marty Sat YouTube channel. If you've got an Asian grocery store, then keep your eyes peeled on this video today because I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the Marty Sats platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you've randomly stumbled across this video today and you haven't heard of Marty Sats yet, Marty Sats is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, the first thing it's going to do is ask you to search for your market over here at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with different side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So you do have the ability to search for your market at the top. However, I can see mine right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select Asian grocery store. Great, let's tell Marty Sats a few basic details about our Asian grocery store so it can generate a simple website for me. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where your Asian grocery store is located, you can use the Marty Sats service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and pop in my phone number over here as well as my email address and move along. Great. Where is our Asian grocery store located? I'm going to go ahead and pop in my street address as well as my postal code and click on continue. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday at those times. On a Sunday, what time do we open? We could say we close, but I'm going to say we open from 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Excellent. Let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order, but everything looks pretty good to me. If you need to make changes, click on update location or update hours. And look at that. Monty's House has literally generated a simple website for my Asian grocery store in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together at what it's come up with. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got your own images of all the amazing products your Asian grocery store stocks, and you want to display it on your website and you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you. You can do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be walking you through each section from the top to the bottom, making my way through so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the Marty Sites platform works and how simple it is to use. Now, you don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional to help you with this either. So let's get cracking. I'm quickly going to make my way to the top and click on the first section. Now, I want to make sure this box is ticked to display my email address on my Marty Sites website next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. We've already put in our physical location, and when we click on it, it will automatically take us to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head over to update social links. Now, over here, we can put in the various social media platforms that our Asian grocery store is active on. Go ahead and pop them in over here. The icons will be displayed in the top as well as the bottom. Let's move along. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, Marty Sites will literally just display your business name over here, and it still looks really great and professional. However, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload my logo. If you don't have a logo and you don't have a huge budget for a logo, I do recommend that you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on the website. My logo has now been updated or uploaded. However, I do want to amend it, crop it ever so slightly, So I'm going to go ahead and click on this little pencil over here, and I can crop it so it fits a little bit better in the section at the top. You can also add filters, you can decorate it, add frames, flip it, rotate it, etc., and zoom in as well. Let's let that re-upload now as I've just cropped it. Click on save. Once it's uploaded, you can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and move along. Now with multi-sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors used throughout the website for you as well. We wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for an Asian grocery store. However, perhaps these colors don't quite go with your messages, your branding, your signage, all the advertising you do. Maybe you have a completely different color. You don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on this little paint bucket over here and go through the various different color palettes available for you. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one for now. I really like it. Can change it at a later stage. Let's move along. Over here, I'm going to head over to update image. Now, if you have your own images, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from, and they all completely royalty free. No licenses, free to use. So Mighty Sites will automatically search for Asian grocery store. There is a few acceptable images here, suitable ones. You can play around with the terms a little bit. You could just search for Asian grocery and see what pops up. Do play around with the terms and just see what pops up. So there's another suitable image. Let's go ahead and put in Asian food and just see what pops up. So here's some suitable images as well, but I'm going to go ahead and search again for Asian grocery store because I did see an image that I liked. You could search for specific products as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to select this one. It could actually be the same image. I don't think so. Nope. That looks really fantastic. Very happy with it. Now I'm going to head over to update content. Now over here you can type in various different content. You can change the title and subtitle. Button currently says get in touch, but maybe you don't want it to say that. Maybe you just want it to say get directions. Go ahead and choose the link. Now you can link to another website. Maybe you offer an online ordering system for your grocery store. You can link to an action like click to call, directions, click to email. So for this, I'm going to set it as directions. Otherwise, you can upload a PDF file as well. Maybe you have a catalog of all the different products you stock in PDF formats. Go ahead and upload it to that button. So when your customers click on the button, it will automatically take them to your catalog. Over here again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here you can put a little bit more details, the different of how your business came to be. Maybe it's a family owned grocery store, maybe it's been passed down from generation to generation or something along those lines. Go ahead and put all the details over here, a little bit of a background of how your grocery store came to be so your customers know your story and can get a little idea of your business. Over here, we've made our way into the services section where you can put a little bit more details, the different services you offer, or the products that you offer. Do you stock or offer spices, sauces, noodles, pastries, tea? Do you even have Asian food available? Do you have a little takeaway section? Go ahead and pop all those details over here so your customers know what they can find in your store. If you need to make any last changes to that address, those trading hours, click on update section and make the necessary changes. So if you have a custom domain, click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. If you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.mindsites.com, with a step-by-step guide on linking your custom domain. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. So as a small business, I do recommend you check out our blog. You'll find so much valuable information here on marketing your business on social media, on online directories, in the community. Do check it out. It's really worth having a look at for marketing ideas. If you don't have a domain yet, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature and we're super excited about it. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website on our platform for your Asian grocery store. Don't forget it's going to cost you $9 a month and there is a free trial available for 7 days. The great thing about the Mighty Site's free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video, give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. See how well the platform works. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.